guys? Welcome back to my channel today. I know it has been a long time. It's been like almost a month since I've last posted. And I always say this, but it's so true. Like, life has just been so freaking busy and I just haven't found the time to do a lot of things. Haven't found time to pick up the camera, haven't found time to just kind of do like self-care, put me first. But I'm hoping that will change soon. So I wanted to pick up the camera today, show you guys kind of like a day in the life, what I do, what I eat in a day. As far as my weight loss, guys, since my last video, I maybe lost like 3 pounds, but I know that's a good thing. And you know, but I don't know, I've just been not doing everything that I need to do, that I know I need to do. So I'm just hoping that changes as well. So life's just been so busy, guys, and I know you guys understand, and I know every time I post a video you guys will watch my videos, but I just wish I was just more consistent for you guys. Because when I watch other people's YouTube, sorry, I'm going off track. When I watch certain people, like I'm always like, oh my God, like when are they gonna post their next video? Because it's like a series, you know what I mean? And like, if she doesn't post or if these people don't post for a few days, I'm like, oh my God, like, can they post? Like, I want to see what they're doing, what they're up to. So like, maybe some of you guys feel like that, and I'm so sorry. But I just did morning drop off. It's 8:30 in the morning right now. I'm working from home. I think I said that already. I'm gonna wash my face first because I just feel so dry. Do you guys see that back there? I got a walking pad. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you might not know, but if you do, you'll know. I bought a walking pad and I just love it. And I'll talk about it more in this video because we're gonna hop on it later. But anyway, let me wash my face. I feel just so dry. You know, where's my, okay, let's go wash this face first. It's just super dry. So if you guys don't have these things, you guys need to buy it. It works so well. I'll show you guys how I use it, but a big part of me not filming, honestly, is like I have so much going on with the kids. Kylie is just getting older and bigger, and it's just so hard for me to film with him because he's just so loud. And then Micah, he is in the midst of basketball season right now, so we've been doing practice, and there's just a lot going on with his school. It's like a lot of things. You see these things? These are wet. These are literally soaking wet. Look. Because the water is not like, the water isn't everywhere. It's like amazing. You guys should get this. So they sell it like on Amazon, but I bought mine from Burlington. This set was like $4. So if you have a Burlington near you, I would recommend. So I'm gonna pull the walking pad out. So I bought this from Amazon last week and it was like $160. And I've been walking on it. I feel like it's such more convenient than like going to the gym or having a treadmill, because a treadmill, you can't move it everywhere. This, I can bring it downstairs, and I can work out watching TV with the kids. I can walk when I'm working, so it's just much more convenient, and it's a lot inexpensive than a treadmill. So I've been loving it. I've been trying to do 10K steps a day, so 10,000 steps a day. The other day I did 10,000 steps before noon. I was really motivated that day. So just trying to like get my body moving more, because I can't always make it to the gym. Sometimes it's inconvenient. So if I can just walk, I think that will do wonders. And the power of walking is crazy, guys. You could lose weight with just walking. You don't have to lift or do anything, just walk. Just walk. Just make sure you're eating a lot of protein, because you're going to be losing weight, but a lot of that weight could be from muscle. So just make sure you're eating your meats and your proteins and your eggs, if you're going to be doing lots of walking and cardio. But I've seen a big improvement in my head, like mentally, in my body, my appetite, just overall with just walking. So it's really good to have. I'll link this one down below. I love it. All right, let me set my desk up and then we're gonna walk and get some work done. All right, I'm usually walking in my house slippers, like soft slippers, but I don't know where they are right now. So I'm gonna get this going. We're gonna work and walk at the same time. And when I'm working, I like to put it on 1.7. So it's like a good pace. Let's try to get 10K steps today. Okay. Okay guys, still going strong. 40 minutes, 42 minutes, 195 calories. Let's see how many steps I have. 4,195. You know what? It's not, oh, it changed, 4,200. So my goal is to get to 5,000 steps before noon. So it's 11:09. So I'm just gonna walk for like maybe another 15 minutes. That way I can get that extra 800 steps and then we'll make it to 5,000. Oh, okay. 5,192 steps. And it's 11:21. So it took me like what, 12 minutes to get an extra 1,000 steps. So, all right, let's take a break. Alright, so right now it is almost 12 o'clock. We're probably gonna go down and have lunch. And then, yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna make a quick lunch. So let me show you guys one of my favorite things ever right now. So we have been loving this Just Bare chicken strips. So it is lightly breaded. You can get it from Sam's or Costco or Giant Eagle or Walmart. I'm sure they'll have it at like Kroger's and Publix too. But for one serving, there's 17 grams of protein. It's lightly breaded. They are so juicy and so good in the air fryer. And it's supposed to be like really like, I don't know, really good. It's just like not taste-wise, but like good for you. It's literally just chicken, lightly breaded, no added hormones or steroids, no artificial ingredients or preservatives. And the carb count, there's 11 grams of carb per 2 pieces. So that is pretty good. When you're buying like breaded chicken tenders like this, there's usually like 25 grams of carbs. So for this to just have 11 is really good. So alrighty, so here's one, here's two, and you know what, we're gonna do a small one. We'll do this one just in case. So we'll do 2.5. All right, we shall wait for that. So we're gonna make 2 chicken wraps. We're gonna use 2 low-carb tortillas. I'm gonna cut the third one in half. That way each wrap will have like 1.5 chicken. Then I just added a little bit of organic spring mix to the bottom, and then I'm gonna top it with Chick-fil-A ranch. This is one of my favorite ranches in the entire world. So yummy. And then we're just going to wrap these bad boys up, and this will be lunch. I did eat them both. They were delicious. All right, I just want to show you guys how juicy the chicken is. Okay guys, I told you guys my days were just so boring. That's why I just haven't been filming, because it's just been so boring. But I am getting an exciting package today in the mail. So, well, it's more like a delivery. So I'm excited to show you guys that. But right now it is 2:50. I have to go to the bus stop in about 15 minutes to get Micah. So in those 15 minutes, I'm gonna hop on the walking pad and get some steps in. Right now we are at 5,700 steps. So if I can get to like 7,000 steps before I leave out to get Micah, that will be good. So let's get these steps in. Alrighty, so 5,700. Let's get to 7,000 for 3:15 or 3:10. Okay, it's 3:10. I'm gonna give it like another minute, but I think I'm definitely at 7,000 steps, which is good. I might even be at 8,000. Okay guys, I had to rush out the house in case I was late. So I did 21 minutes on the treadmill, 0.87 miles, so almost a mile, 130 calories. And let's see where my steps are now. So in 20 minutes, I did about 2,000, a little bit over 2,000 steps. I got 7,653 steps. Yay! I just got home and I got my Good Chop delivery box in when I arrived. This is my special delivery that I was talking about earlier. Let me show you guys some of the few things I got. I'm so excited for my Good Chop box. Good Chop offers fully customizable boxes of high quality meat and seafood delivered to your door on your schedule. The products are vacuum sealed and flash frozen at peak freshness, so you can stock your freezer and cook when you want. There's something for everyone. You can choose from 60 plus high quality cuts. They have 100% grass-fed ribeyes, USDA prime filet mignon, wild-caught salmon, free-range and organic chicken breasts, chicken wings, pork tenderloins, and thick-cut bacon, just to name a few. In this month's box, I got chorizo, Gulf shrimp, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, beef top sirloin steak, and boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I love that all products are sourced from the USA. Unlike many other companies, Good Chop sources its meat and seafood exclusively from American farms and fisheries. By choosing Good Chop, you support local family farms and independent ranchers right here in the US. So you are only getting the good stuff. Good Chop especially prides itself on sourcing meat that comes with no antibiotics or added hormones ever. No artificial ingredients, only the good stuff. It's been sitting out and it's pretty soft already, so that's good. We're gonna actually dump the whole thing in a bowl. All right, we're just gonna let it sit for a few minutes. I truly love the convenience of my Good Chop boxes that I receive every month. It is just so convenient. Whenever I want to make dinner or lunch, I can just pull the high quality meats out and I make it. I don't have to run to the grocery store. I'm saving time, I'm saving money, and I know I am getting high quality good stuff. I love it. Avocado oil. We're gonna do a little bit of paprika. Onion powder. Give this a nice toss. All right, we're gonna do avocado oil. All right, let's add peppers. And in goes the Gulf shrimp. I also want you guys to try Good Chop. Go to goodchop.com/YouTube and use my code KIM120 or click the link in the caption below to get $120 off across your first 4 boxes. I also want you guys to try Good Chop. Go to goodchop.com/YouTube and use my code KIM120 or click the link in the caption below to get $120 off across your first 4 boxes. Again, go to goodchop.com/YouTube, use my code KIM120 or click the link in the caption below to get $120 off across your first 4 boxes. All right guys, meal prep is done. We've made shrimp fajitas with cilantro lime cauliflower rice with the Gulf shrimp from Good Chop. I'm gonna let this sit out for a few, maybe like 10 minutes so it can cool down, and then I'll put the little tops on it. And then in the morning, I'll show you guys how I prep it for work, because I do add other things here, but ultimately this is what we made. Shrimp fajitas, low carb and keto friendly. And I have extra, so I might just have that tonight. Alright guys, so this is what I brought for lunch. And so my new favorite thing, so this is sriracha and Japanese mayo. And what I like to do is just put my cucumbers in here and just kind of mix it all up. I know I'm not working with much room, but just like to toss it in there, put it in there, and then yeah, this is my lunch meal prep. Shrimp fajitas with the Good Chop Gulf shrimp, cauliflower rice with cilantro and lime, and this is my lunch.